guys, thanks for being here with Hill, and it's that time!
Woo!
Our Jeffree Star boxes came in. Mine came in today. Bree has been holding off. Hers came yesterday.
Yeah, it came yesterday.
I would have been opening mine by now. So, yeah, so we're so excited. I'm kind of nervous because my box had some indents and stuff, but I don't really want to talk too much and just want to get into it. So Bree has the, what size is that? He always changes the names.
The premium?
Premium? How much one was that?
This was the smallest box, the smallest option available.
Because, is it because the drop-down button wasn't working? Because that's why a lot of people ended up getting that box. So
no, when I went to buy one, the other two were already sold out.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm surprised because I thought the small one was going to sell out the fastest because everyone could only get that one because they were having so many issues. I didn't give up, and I'm so happy that I am 2 for 2 on the biggest Supreme mystery boxes. I spent $145. It was $155 with the taxes and everything. So we're going to do these separately. I'll put a timestamp in the description box to see if you want to just fast forward to one box or the next. We're going to start with Bree's, the little baby box. Is this your first mystery box?
This is my first Jeffree Star mystery box.
Ooh, this
I'm
is
super exciting. Super excited.
Exciting.
I am super excited. We got it. All right.
All right.
And
this one was how much?
this one was $60.
60.
Yes. Okay.
And how many is supposed to be in it?
I think 4.
4?
4 full-size products.
I think you should open it.
Oh! Look! A little beanie.
Those are, he doesn't even sell those.
Oh my
That's
goodness,
cute.
that is adorable.
Can you put it on?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like you'd be so cute in that.
Cute little Jeffree Star beanie with the little heart that says Jeffree Star.
What do those little hearts say?
It says Jeffree Star.
Oh, it says little, oh, cute. Oh, so cute.
Yeah?
Yes.
Cute. Okay. Yeah, you try it on.
Okay.
What else did I get in here? Well, I got a Jeffree Star PopSocket. That's super cute.
I can never
super cute.
You're
wearing it wrong.
Well, that's how some people wear theirs, and I wish I could.
You gotta like move it out.
I don't know.
You gotta like move it. Gotta make it like look full. I don't know. All right, what else?
It looks cute on you, so that's all that matters.
Okay. Well,
right.
Good.
What's next?
Next we have, ooh, the gloss.
Ooh, that's I think the exclusive color because it's in the red packaging.
And the color is called Succulent.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's a pretty bottle. Isn't that cute?
Stab someone in the eye with it.
Ooh, so cute. So that's 3 things, and then we've got something a little bit bigger here. It's wrapped up in this cute alien.
Oh my gosh, is that the
wrappings.
alien palette?
I don't know. Let's see.
Ooh, if it
I'm
is,
so nervous.
You don't have any of these palettes, do you?
Okay.
Wait, I'll kind of want the small box. I wonder. Oh, it is. I've never seen it in person.
Jeffree Star Alien.
This has been out for like a while. Can we open it? It's shaped really cool too.
Oh my gosh,
Wait.
it's a little alien head. Look how cute.
Okay, in videos, like I thought this was just like a black. I didn't know it was like a.
It's like 3D.
That is sick.
Oh my gosh, my dog's gonna be so scared of that.
Yeah, don't let her touch it. Let me see it.
Okay, let's open it up.
That's so cool. Ooh,
Oh my gosh, that
I really
is
like that
so
purple.
pretty.
We're like, ooh, it's so pretty.
Y'all wanna see?
Oh, ooh, this is pretty.
I'm really excited to play with
I
this.
really like this box. Yeah, no, that'll be fun.
That will be fun.
So you got this, which I think they're usually worth like $50-something. So basically, if you bought that online with shipping, it probably would have been just that. I don't know if he still sells that. So that's a steal in itself. This exclusive shade. That's pretty. PopSocket, which I feel like is just thrown in their thing, but a lot of people like them.
Yeah.
So they're cute. And his hat is so cute too.
I love the hat.
It looked cute on you. It did not look.
I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the video. Oh,
There you go. Yes, that's goes with your sweater too. The other colors. Okay, now the big mama. Run, All right. This box weighed 5 pounds. My last box weighed 3 pounds, so it's 2 pounds heavier. Oh, I'm nervous. Ooh!
Ooh, what is
I
that?
wish it was a clothing, but it didn't ask me for my size.
Ooh, is it a bag?
It's a tote.
Oh, that's cute.
It's really thin, but it's cute. I think he had his sweatshirt like that. Cute. Or
It's
like
cute.
1,000.
Show him what the...
I'm gagging. Cute. Cute. Ooh, okay, so under this tote.
Ooh, this box looks so good.
This tote. Alright. They probably priced. Okay. Ooh, I wonder what could be in this. I'm probably guessing it's the blue blood, which I'm excited about. I kind of wish it was the... Yeah, it is. Ooh. Ooh, I'm so excited. I kind of wish it was the blood sugar because red would have been for Valentine's Day, but I did look on his site and they were sold out. So I don't know if it's just because they sell like crazy, but
Yeah.
ooh, this coffin box. Look at that detail. Look at this.
Oh, yeah, that's nice
Ooh.
packaging.
So pretty, and it's gonna go so good with my conspiracy
so
palette.
Cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, those colors are so pretty.
So many blues. And next we have, so that's 2. Ooh, this is a pretty light blue paper. The Brain Freeze highlighting palette.
Oh, I love highlighting palettes. Oh, that is
That's
so cute.
pretty. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Those are gorgeous.
2 palettes, can't complain.
That is pretty. I'm like looking in there and there's like, I'm so curious
trying
about
not
the
to-
rest. I'm so
Alright.
curious about the rest.
1, 2,
The
3.
anticipation's killing me.
PopSocket.
Ah, twinsies.
Right. Ooh, the side bag. He came out with these for his Valentine's collection.
Oh my
I
gosh,
don't
a little
think
bag.
so cute. I don't think he sold them in this color, so this is an exclusive. Ooh.
Oh, that's
It smells
fun.
fresh. There's 1 pocket. This one's cute. I really. Ooh. And
Oh, yes.
so cute.
Fashion.
And there's an adjustable strap with Jeffree on it. So cute. Reminds me of Victoria's Secret bag. I love it. So that's the merch. This and then that tote. This is the merch I got in the last bag. I really like this sweatshirt. Still no tracksuit. I kind of knew that one and didn't ask me for a size. Ooh, a lip scrub. I've been wanting one of these ones. Which flavor? He has so many different little flavors.
Mojito.
Mojito. Oh
Mojito.
God. Why would they give me mojito? It's more for you. Ooh, it's pink. Ooh, it's big.
I just wiped some of that lip gloss that was on my hand on my face. My nose.
Cute. These are $12.
Oh, I love lip scrubs. I want to try.
You want to smell? And you can try it.
Yeah, can I try it later?
Yeah, tastes good. It's way bigger than I thought. Cute, so that's
That'd
like
be fun.
12. And these all look like lips, so sweet. You got one, and I think
Wow.
lips are like 18. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's try, I think this is the exclusive shade in the red. And, ooh, it's a different one than yours. This one's different than the one you got. This one is Soft Core Sparkle. It looks like a little,
It's a little
purpley.
purple.
Let's try this one. The gloss. I don't have any of these glosses. Here we go. Ooh, it looks
Oh, that is
do you have
so
yours? I think
fun.
this one's just a little darker. Yours is a little pinker and mine's a little purplier.
Purple.
Ooh. We already do that too. So cute.
Twinning.
Best friend colors.
BFFs for life.
Okay, so that's the pretty gloss, and then we have another gloss, and this is in the shade Ice Cold. Ooh. This is a pretty gloss. All right, Ice Cold.
Oh, that is so fun.
This is a pretty, just like throw it on. Lipsticks and stuff, you can put them on your eyes. They're safe. They're all cruelty free and everything. So you can put them on your eyes. Ooh. This looks like a Christmas, yep, the mistletoe shade from his Christmas collection.
Oh my god.
Kind of ironic that he did that in his Valentine's box. It's funny. So a green, everyone knows how obsessed I am with greens. I guess now I have
what
a lip
is it?
shade. This
It's
is
a green lip.
yeah, mistletoe. And this is the
Interesting.
velour liquid lip. So this green. Huh.
That's wild.
Feeling shake
Oh
it.
man, that is
Green.
green.
Is it Christmas? Is it Valentine's? Okay. This would be fun, I guess, for like St. Patrick's Day. It's next
Yeah.
month. It'll work.
Yeah.
And like I said, you can put them on your eyes and everything. So mistletoe. I feel like it was just a throwaway shade, kind of put it in here, but can't complain. It's a mystery box.
Yeah.
And it's shades I don't have, so.
True.
And then we have two more of these, two more velour liquid lips, and this one is Blow Pony and Restraints. I'll try Blow. So many, how many lips did I get? 5? So what's 20 times 5? Ooh, this is bright.
That is bright. Oh, that is so cute.
This is pretty. Okay, and this goes with the Valentine's Day theme. And that spring's coming, and this goes with the theme. It'll be so cute. The green is so random. And then we have the other lip shade. So we did Blow Pony. This is purple. And then we have this Restraints. It looks like a silvery, like, metal color, which is cool because I have the gold shade from the last box. Now I have this. Ooh.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's an interesting shade. We have one last item that I've been trying not to look down at constantly. But a mirror, and I wanted one in the last box, so I'm so excited. And it looks like it's going to be the new mirrors that he came out with. Ooh, it even has a metallic sticker. Ooh.
Careful.
What if this is, oh gosh. It'd be so cute if you made like mini ones to like carry in your purse and stuff.
Oh yeah.
You should come out with that next. Because these new shapes.
Oh, that is so cute.
The shade. Ooh, this like pink chrome.
Oh my
Ooh, they're so big. They're light too,
yeah,
so you don't like. They're not like too light where you're gonna drop it, but it's like not too heavy where your hand is like. Oh,
I totally did.
I expected it to be like really heavy, and it's like perfect.
That is so nice. I want one.
Oh, these are so
I want one.
cute. And I think these are like $30. So
want one
cute.
so bad.
Okay, so that is my Supreme box. I'm pretty excited with overall all the items. I can't complain. It's a mystery box. He did Blue Blood palettes in the prior boxes, so a lot of people are upset about that, but I don't have it, so I'm excited. And then the Brain Freeze. So I like all the variety of things. The only thing I'm sad I didn't get, which I kind of expected, was his new Sherpa jackets. But it didn't ask me for a size, and I chanced it. And they sold out by the time I went back to get it. So I'm really happy. I can't wait to play with all these items.
I'm really excited to use this palette.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Stay tuned for upcoming videos with our new palette.
With our new stuff, because this is going to be so fun.
We're about to go ham.
I've been wanting to do a blue look. I actually borrowed one of your palettes and I never got a chance to play with it. So now, it's going to be so pretty.
With your own.
Definitely worth it. Definitely exciting. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned until next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.